Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good afternoon to you all. Here we go then, we are back with another close-up coins game. In this video there's going to be 5 zoomed in images of commemorative coins, and it's up to you at home to see if you can get all 5 of these correct. Now, there is actually a 10p, 50p and £2 coin commemoratives within this video, and there's also some pre-decimal coins as well. I really have tried to mix this one up the most that we have ever done when it comes down to this game. And again, you never know, this could be the time where I win and nobody manages to get them all correct. Saying that though, everyone's coin knowledge is probably better than mine at home, and I'm sure there'll be people getting all 5 of these correct at home. So get those comments in the comments section below. Hopefully all of your comments will be saving. I'll be double checking all of them there, making sure that they do. And again, for any reason that your comment doesn't save, I really do apologise. So get those 5 guesses in the comment section below. We'll look through all of the answers at 8 p.m. on Friday evening when I get back from coaching the kids cricket. So get those guesses in below. I've left it on loop a couple of times so you can concentrate without me in the background, and hopefully you can guess all of these correct. Plenty more videos coming up today then, and I can't believe we're already on the final day of May and going into June tomorrow. Have a blessed evening, stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.